All right, Liberty stock number 51293, 24-inch DCM model IG 280 SD, vertical spindle rotary surface grinder, serial number 45531, the Mitsubishi controller. Yep, okay.
That works. Let's take a look at it. Controls up already, as you can see. Meanwhile, let me pop the door open. Take a look through it. And yeah, we've got everything ready to go here. We can take a walk around.
Yeah, let's
now.
walk around.
Yeah, and I'll do a few manual things. Yeah, it's all pretty solid.
Okay.
Speaks for itself. Blower inside here, coming around to the lubrication system. Back end of the machine. ZX servo up there. You got the little oiler on the back there as you come around. That's of course for the table, so table root. All the connections in the back of the electrics. All our color-coded plugs. Yeah, this is nice. And then behind you, coolant system, extra tooling, extra wheels. A lot of good stuff down here, Pete. Filtration, yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
Rodney, we're ready.
Electric panel?
Oh, yeah.
Sure, yeah. I'm tamped in on the disconnect here, 220. My lead's coming in, and like you say, it's all MITS drives, MITS PLC. Everything's good. It's clean. Documentation down on the bottom of the cabinet there. Pretty sure we got everything there. Schematics, books, manual.
Okay.
Close that up, and we can do a couple of things manual. Well, I can run the spindle manual and run the table manual. After that, we'll show a few screens, or let's just show a few screens now. I'm in, we got the main screen, current position. I've just got some dummy numbers put in there, different table speeds, as you can see, 15, 35, 10. And I just plugged in a few numbers, total distance, 1.5 thousandths, 5/10, 5/10. And I'm doing all three cycles just to show that we can do all three cycles. All three of them take about 2 minutes, 3 minutes. So we're good there. Program Manager is up here. Kind of look at everything that's going on, defaults, what have you. What else we got? Save, I won't go into that. Operating screen, we were just in. Manual screen, spindle monitor. There's all kinds of good stuff in here. Previous. And manual screen is where? Okay, there's spindle RPM, table RPM. That's a setting. Previous. And operating screen. Let's go back to that. And that's our main screen. This is the one we play with. So that said, I've got everything in auto. Let me shut off of auto here. And I can do table on at the predetermined speed, 35 RPM, just to hear that by itself. It's nice, it's quiet. There it is. Enough said. Shut that down. These are all drives. So spindle on at, where are we at? 2000 is the predetermined speed for that. And that's mostly where I'm at on my cycle too. 1500 and 2000 for finish. That's two there. Moving right along. Shut it down. Yeah, I turn on the blower, but the blower is disconnected so we can hear the spindle and the chuck. Nice and quiet here. And if I jump into manual here, I do have the pulse generator right here. There's 50% and there's 25%. And you can't hardly see it move, but it's moving. And the same thing with rapid on the Y. Real slow, a little bit faster. And one more time, 100%. Yep. So that's those are the main manual ingredients. That said, I'm gonna, let's see, yeah, the release here. Chuck is on, Chuck is working fine. I'm gonna put all these in auto, coolant, everything on auto. It won't run without everything being on auto. Leave this at 100%. Switch over to auto on the screen. 3-cycle program ready. Like I said, I've got a few different table speeds. They're just silly numbers, but stop distance at 5 thousandths, total distance 1.5 thousandths. But it makes for, at least you can hear the spindle speed changes from 15 to 2,000, and you can watch the table speed change. So we're going to run up cycle 1 right now. Let's see, I think I get everything right. Let's see how it goes. There is a Y distance too that's set in. See it moving? Y is going over, and it's coming back down to its set position. Table turns on, coolant turns on, blower turns on. We're moving. And whichever one you want. These are really tiny to watch, but maybe you can see that on the camera. I don't know if you got much of a glare, but you can watch one cycle there or watch this moving. After we go to -1.5, it'll kick into finish. You'll see it switch over, and you'll hear the spindle shoot up to 2,000. About 20 seconds open. Yeah, I'll move it at 20 thousandths per minute. It's not much. There's your finish. Now that's going to finish up in a few seconds. Pull back with the camera. You'll see it finish up and just, there we go. It's going to home itself. Go back to its set point, shut down. And if you notice now, that's just flipped over to load cycle 2. So after this all shuts off, we load our part, done. I'm going to start cycle 2, which is a little bit quicker. Still roughing on cycle 2. We're almost there. There's finish. Should switch over now. There it is. I think we're taking off 1,000. Looks like, yeah, half 1,000 maybe. That one's done. And cycle 3, last one. This one's at, yeah, table speed 10 and 35. That's the last one. So let it run. There's a slow table at 10, and then I kicked it up to what, 35, yep, on the finish. Just because. Oh, it works nice. Three-cycle program is done.